This is the PSGuard demonstration for the voltage stability application. The VSM application collects synchrophasor data from PMUs and provides the PV curve of the equivalent transmission corridor. PSGuard is not considered a tool for the analysis of synchrophasor data, but instead a wide area monitoring system for the real-time operation. As a supervisory system, it provides a single line diagram, access to real-time measurements and alarm lists, for example. From the single line diagram, the user can click on the respective button for the application. In this case, we see the faceplate for the voltage stability monitoring application, where the user has access to measurements of current, voltage and power, also the power margin and the maximum power, among other measurements, as well as the graphical representation of the dynamically calculated PV curve with the current operating point and the alarm levels. From the single line diagram, it's also possible to have access to trend graphics by right-clicking the respective button of the application. As an example, we show next the switching of the shunt capacitor. Specific information about each of the measurements is presented in the bottom of the faceplate. The application has now issued an alarm that can also be visualized in the alarm list on top of the screen. From the single line diagram, the operator can once again open the faceplate of the VSM application and visualize the operating point beyond the warning level indicated by the yellow color. The faceplates are completely independent, so the user can see the PV curve and the trend display at the same time. The trend display is now divided in two sections, and the user can configure the measurements that are presented at each section. Each of the measurements represented by different colors can be identified in tabular format at the bottom of the display, like the maximum power load, the voltage magnitude and the power margin. Now the VSM application detects that the transmission corridor is back to normal condition. The VSM application calculates the PV curve every second. The alarm list also shows the reset of the application. The graphical user interface provides a zoom capability that helps operators to find the specific points. Next, we will find the power margin at a specific point. At 150 seconds, at 305 seconds, and at 445 seconds. All the data collected by PSGuard during real-time operation can be exported for further offline analysis.